Welcome back. All right, so what we're going to do now, we've been working with a very, very simplistic model, and all of them are oversimplified because when we calculate GDP in the real world, I say we like as if I do it. You see me every day. I'm not calculating GDP in the real world. But people that calculate GDP in the real world, they're not looking at one product or two products or three products. They're looking at thousands and thousands of products. So this is an oversimplified version. The first two examples I've done with you are really simple about with just one product. But on the AP test, they're probably going to give you two, more likely three products. But once you kind of see how you do more than one product, it's not that difficult. Okay? So what we're going to do, we now have filet mignon that we're making in this country, but not just filet mignon. We are making also the finest, French croissants to go along with our delicious filet mignon. All right? So what we have to do is we have to do basically everything that we did in the first videos and then add a little bit. So we're going to figure out the nominal GDP for the filet mignon and then add it to the nominal GDP for the croissants. So the first year, take a look, you're doing exactly the same calculation that we did before. I messed the video up once, so the work's already there. It's beautiful. So we have two filet mignons that we produced at $1 each. So that gives me $2 worth of filet mignon produced. But I also have more here now. I have croissants going along with my filet mignon. So I got 5 croissants at $2 a piece. That gives me a total of $10 worth of croissants produced. In my country, I've produced $12 worth of final goods and services. Okay? I'm going to step back here. You see if you can figure out the nominal GDPs for year 2 and year 3. Remember, for both goods this time, all right? You done? All right, I'm going to go down. All right, so year 2. So we got year number 1, year number 2. So year number 2, let's take a look. So we produced 2 filet mignon, $5. So it's like 10 to me. So 10, we got $10 worth of croissants. No, 10 croissants, $4 a piece. Looks like 40 to me, right? So plus 40 equals 50, okay? The third year, we got 2 filet mignon, $10 a piece, 20. We got it, but we also made some croissants. Looks like we made about 40 of them. $6 a piece. 6 times 4 is 24. Add the 0, 240. And you get 260. Okay? Now, in lieu of making another video here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the real GDPs here. But remember, I got to give you something else before I can tell you what the real GDP is going to be. I have to give you what? The base year. The base year, that is correct. And I'm going to stick to the same base year that we used before. We're going to go base year number 2. So I'm going to give you the answer. You're going to do the work and check it. Okay? So you got to remember, you're going to use a constant price here. You're going to use the price from year 2. What was the price of a croissant in year 2? What was the price of a filet mignon in year 2? I'm not telling you. You should be able to see it behind me. Okay? So here are the answers. And then for your GDP deflators, these ones don't work out very good, so just get them set up as fractions and see if you can figure out how to do this. It is going to be okay. Notice they will never work out like that on the AP exam with those GDP deflators because you can't. Why don't you just finish? You can't have a calculator, so they're probably not going to make you do it like that. All right, they'll come out to whole numbers. All right, so see if you can figure out and make those last 2 columns occur. And then you should be in good shape to do the back of your worksheet. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good night.